Hi everybody, Julia here, dietetic intern at CSS. Did you know that December is National Pear Month? I'm going to prepare a recipe called a pear crisp, and you can access the recipe at the link at the end of this video. Here you see me peeling pears to prepare them to go in the recipe. Next, I'm going to chop up the pears into diced pieces so that they're bite-sized and yummy. Next, I've prepared a pan and I'm going to add the pears to it. After that, I'm going to sprinkle some cinnamon on top of the pears. This gives them nice flavor. Next, I'm going to mix all my ingredients together. So my flour, my brown sugar, my oats, and my cinnamon. Then I added butter and just used my hands to mush all the ingredients together, forming a paste. As you can see here, it's all mixed up. Next, I'm going to spread out this paste that I've made over the pears that I prepared before. Once that's spread out evenly, I'm going to bake my dessert. Here I am putting my pear crisp in the oven to bake. Next, I'm taking it out when it's all done. The top has gotten crispy and it was delicious. Here's the recipe and happy baking!